Alright, hi, I'm Morgan Nicholson, and I will be teaching Alaya, who is in preschool going into kindergarten, about plant cells. And here, for visual context, is my plant. And then we are going to go look at the PowerPoint now. Okay, so for the beginning, we are going to be talking about plant cells and just the very basics of plant cells. So here is a plant and its parts, but we will kind of brush over those so that it's not a full overload for her cognitive process. And this is just a picture of a plant cell with all the labels, but we are only going to be labeling 5 to 6 of them for her. And this is what we will be making, is a plant cell cake, so that she can have a hands-on of a model of it. And here are the ingredients over here, is that we will be making a giant cookie, and the cookie will already be made when she comes over, and she will be in charge of icing it, and then we will be placing parts of the plant cell on the cake as a finished product. And if we'll go back to the PowerPoint, there is a plant cell worksheet that I have for my benefit, so that I remember what all the parts are in charge of doing, so that we can compare and contrast to a house. And what the parts that we were going to go over were the nucleus, which were going to be mom and dad. The cytoplasm was going to be the actual house, like the floor plan. And the cell wall was going to be the house walls that keeps everything in. And the cell membrane were going to be the doors on the house. And she will be able to design her own house with the candy according to what a plant cell should look like. And then the chloroplasts will be the children, because they're full of energy. And I'm sure that they gather sunlight and bring it all into the house anyways, and joy. And then the vacuole, which is basically the storage unit of a cell, will be the kitchen of the cell. And if she asks about where the bedrooms are, it's okay, because a plant cell never sleeps, so they don't need beds. And this is going to help her cognitively compare and contrast the way a plant cell helps a plant to grow and to function correctly, by comparing it to the way her household functions. And it's going to help her socially, because she's going to be helping me prepare the cookie cake, and she'll be in charge of decorating it for the most part. And for moral, she'll have to share, and she will also develop like how a household should work, and where her place is in it, and also where mom and dad are in it as well. And this is what we will be learning. And then last but not least, so that you can take home the project with you, is we're going to do a grass puppet, which is we take a sock and we put dirt and grass seeds in it, and then we tie it off and we decorate it however she wants to. This is just an example. But then over time, as you put it in the sunlight and you give it daily water, it'll start to grow grass as hair, and then it will be her own little puppet that she can study. And you can also go over the parts of a plant cell and everything with her. And that's my lesson plan thus far.